Hello friends, today we're talking about an explosion in the crypto market. Kanye West has launched his new token, YZY Money, on Solana. And in just 40 minutes, the market cap skyrocketed to $3 billion. YZY Money first pumped, then it dropped. But the real star here is the Solana blockchain. The network processed thousands of transactions almost for free, and it actually proved the strength. Brand and celebrities are choosing Solana. EFTs with staking income have even appeared, and the feds are even lowered the interest rates. And you know what that means? This always pushes crypto higher. Meme tokens are risky, but Solana is gaining real users. DeFi, NFTs, and tokenized assets. The ecosystem is actually growing. The hype around YZY Money is a signal, and Solana is becoming a key player. The growth potential of SOL in the coming months is huge. Solana, hype or real chance? Write in the comment below and subscribe if you don't want to miss new breakdowns. Now let's move on to the most important part of the video, the YZY token airdrop. The main goal is to attract new participants, expand the community, to understand its value, and actively engage in the ecosystem. And the airdrop helps you do that by boosting token awareness, sparking interest, and building a base of loyal users, and as well as Kanye West listeners. And as you know, Trump already lost most of his token market cap because he didn't run an airdrop. He wasn't interested. And what do we see as a result? The price collapsed in just a month, and the market cap hit rock bottom. Now, the sweetest part. Here's a quick guide on how to claim your YZY token. First, go to the website and click the Claim Reward button. And on screen, I'll attach a video showing that my wallet has no tokens, but it's important that the wallet is active. You should have transactions and ideally some balance. Then connect your wallet to the airdrop and confirm. And now, just wait 5 to 10 minutes and your tokens will be credited. I literally just stopped recording. Let's check how much. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. $450. Man, I'm bro. Nah, hurry up while the drop is still active, for real. And the best part, you can claim airdrops with multiple wallets and as long as they're active. I have to go test with my second wallet, and you guys, good luck in crypto and all the best. Subscribe and see you soon.